In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to empty trash in one click in Notion. Whether you're new to Notion or a seasoned user, managing your workspace efficiently is crucial, and that includes keeping your trash clear. If you've ever found yourself wishing for a quicker way to empty the trash in Notion, then this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First, open your Notion workspace and navigate to the left pane where you'll find the trash icon. Clicking on it will show you all the items you've moved to trash, but, as you might have noticed, there's no straightforward option to empty them all at the same time. Don't worry, there's a simple workaround for this that will help streamline the process. To start setting this up, you'll need to head over to the Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type in Notion Empty Trash. Among the results, look for an extension that features the familiar Notion logo combined with a trash icon. Once you've identified this extension, go ahead and click Add to Chrome. This step is crucial as it equips your browser with the necessary tool to enhance Notion's functionality by providing the empty trash option. After you've added the extension, navigate back to your Notion workspace and refresh the page. This refresh is important because it allows the newly added extension to integrate with your workspace. Now, when you go back to check the trash, you'll discover an empty trash button. This new feature enables you to clear out all unwanted items with just one click, saving you time and effort. It's worth noting that keeping your Notion organized by regularly clearing your trash can improve the overall performance and efficiency of your workspace. Moreover, clearing unnecessary items can help minimize distractions, allowing you to focus on the tasks that truly matter. As a tip, make using this button a part of your regular routine to maintain a clean and efficient digital workspace. Remember, this powerful feature is made possible by the Notion Empty Trash extension, so ensure you keep your browser updated and check for any updates to the extension that might be released. This way, you'll always have the most efficient tools at your disposal. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to empty the trash in Notion with one click. I hope you found it helpful and that it optimizes your experience with this versatile platform. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity in Notion. Until next time, happy organizing!